we're back to exploring Midjourney. Let me show you a new parameter. It's called --sref, style reference, and you can add it to any prompt using version 6. Let us, for example, generate a doge without it, which is going to give us the default style. And then we, for example, can use lo-fi art. Let's say this one. I'll open it in a new tab and then right click, copy image link. I'll go back, imagine doge. Then I use the sref, so --sref, and I paste the URL. But once again, only for version 6. So if I confirm, it's going to give me a warning message. It's not compatible with 5.2, which is the default currently. And here's the default style for doge. If you want to use the sref, you have to use version 6, so --v6 as a parameter. Or you have to go to settings and then change your Midjourney version from 5.2. Once again, that's the default currently, to version 6. It's still in alpha. So currently we'll have to add --v6 or change it here to use it. When I see I've used dog instead of doge, so let me prompt it again using doge so that we can compare it. And you can already see this dog. My spelling mistake here, it has this typical lo-fi art added now. This is what the style reference parameter does. It takes the art style of the linked image and then adds it to whatever you prompt here. We can do that for multiple images. Currently you can use 1 up to 3 in every prompt. So let me, for example, pick this one as a second image. I'll once again use doge in version 6. I use the sref parameter, then paste the first URL, then I copy the second one, I separate them with a space, and then paste it again. And now it's going to mix these two styles together. And we can also give it a weight. So if we want to have one image more dominantly in this style mix, we use, I've once again forgotten what that's called in English, but these double dots, we use them, 2 of them, and then we'll add a numeric value from 1 to 5. Then we make this a weight of 3 for the first image and a weight of 2 for the second. And finally, we can also use the SW parameter in addition, which is the style weight. So let me prompt it again. I use imagine doge version 6, style reference, I paste, let me pick this one. And now I add --SW0. So style weight of 0, which is going to erase the entire style. And the max value is 1000, which is going to make it very close to the linked image. So in essence, a value of 0 should give us the default style again, which we have created initially without using the style reference. And a value of 1000 should give us something very close to what we've linked. And you can see this is exactly the case. And that's basically all about this new style reference parameter that you can use, but once again only in version 6 currently, so make sure to switch your version if you want to use it. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.